Hello, this is the real Stardust. I'm sorry. 1259X. And I am here to say there's somebody impostering me. Do not trust somebody under the user Ohstardust. It infuriates me. They stole my username. Report. We're gonna report this player for an inappropriate username. We're not gonna block her because we want to hear your reaction, the imposter Stardust. Now, if you want me to delete my username, you can A. Send me a headdress. B. I don't think there is another option. So B is answer choice A, and C is answer choice A and B, and D is all of the above. You better send me a headdress, Stardust, or your life. I'm just kidding. That's illegal. I'm not gonna threaten you in real life. Your account will be shut down!